He is Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix your TikTok video. If it's stuck in processing, it's pretty quick and easy, so jump right in. Now let's just open up TikTok here and say you've uploaded a video and gone through the process of uploading a video, but it's stuck on the processing end of it. It's never going through the processing end, and it's not showing up as posted live video. Nobody can see it. There are a few different things that you can do to get that fixed. Now we'll walk through some options. It might be an issue with the TikTok app itself. It might be an issue with the TikTok servers. It might be an issue just with a bug. So the very first thing that I would recommend doing is making sure that you have that video that you're trying to upload is saved on your camera roll gallery. So make sure it's saved on your actual phone itself. And then I would swipe up to close out a TikTok completely. So shut down TikTok, and you'll want to reopen the app. Reopen the TikTok app, and then you might check and see if that processing still goes through the steps and finishes and all that stuff. If it doesn't, you might want to just re-upload that video and to try again, because potentially there are some kind of issues or a bug with uploading that specific video. Keep in mind, if there are any kind of community guidelines violations with that video, potentially it won't go through that process and upload. Usually what it will happen is it will upload it and then TikTok will flag it. But potentially it will be stuck in that processing if TikTok servers just don't like it. Now, another thing that you can do is let's swipe out here and let's go into Safari, and I'm just going to type in speed test. We'll want to run a quick speed test. Make sure you have fast enough internet connection, because under the processing, you want to make sure that your internet is fast enough to upload that video to TikTok servers. Now, the second thing that you want to do, if that's fast enough, is to type in is to talk down, and you can go to Down Detector. So once you're on Down Detector, it's a good option to be able to check and see if the servers are down, and that's why it's stuck on processing. So if you go through here and there's no huge all of a sudden spike in TikTok servers being reported that they're down, then we know that it's not the TikTok servers itself that are the issue. So if there is a big spike, then you can probably guess that it's just a TikTok issue and you have to wait till their servers get fixed. The next thing I would recommend doing is just heading into App Store, and let's just search for TikTok here and see if it needs updating. So right next to TikTok, if it says update, go through the steps to update your TikTok app to the latest version. And that should get you to a point where you can upload those videos. And it could get rid of any kind of bug that was preventing you to do so in the past. Now, I hope this helps go through all these steps, and you should get your video to be posted live on TikTok. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.